Okay, so exercise 10A, we are doing exercise 10A. Exercise 10A, question number 3, third part. Okay, you have to write this number as a ratio, convert it in a ratio, 7.5%. So how do you write this in a ratio? 7.5, it is already in percentage, so whenever a number is in percentage, you divide it by 100. First you divide it by 100. Now this becomes a fraction. Okay, so now write it, first of all, write it in simplest form. So 75 upon 1000. Okay, remove the decimal.
1000.
Okay, it becomes 75 upon 1000. Now
75.
convert it in simplest form, divide by 25. 3 upon 40. So that means the ratio is 3:40. This is the answer. 3:40. Clear?
Why is come 3:40?
You have to convert it in the form of a ratio. तो फ्रैक्शन ले आए पहले, फिर उसके बाद रेशियो लिखेंगे. Okay. First convert it into a fraction and then write it into form of a ratio.
Sir, now which part we have to do?
Now question 4. Convert each of the following ratios into a percentage. अब उल्टा काम करना है, परसेंटेज में चेंज करना है, रेशियो में दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी. Question 4. Question 4, first part. 37:100. So you have to write it in the form of percentage. First you convert it into a fraction. 37 upon 100. Fraction में change कर लो. अब इसको percentage में कैसे change करेंगे? 37 upon 100. So when you change a fraction in percentage, you multiply by 100 and then write percent. Okay. तो 100 से 100 यहाँ पे कट जाएगा. Answer is 37%. Okay. पहले फ्रैक्शन लिख लीजिए, फ्रैक्शन के बाद परसेंटेज में चेंज कर लीजिए बस.
Sir, please stop.
हाँ, तो
Sir, please do not rub the board.
Okay.
My means.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, not. Sir, please 2 minutes wait.
Sir, now second part.
Yes.
Sir, please rub. Okay, sir. Rub. Sir, please rub.
Yes.
I
Yeah. Second part. 16:25. Convert into percentage.
Sir, 64%.
So 16:25 है ना? 16 upon 25. 16 upon 25 multiplied by 100%. काट दीजिए 4 हो गया 4 into 16 is 64%. 64% is the answer. Any doubt?
Sir, third part.
Question 5. Question number 5. Convert each of the following into decimal form. 45% decimal में change करना है आपको. So first of all, change it into a fraction. 45 divided by 100. Percent का मतलब क्या होता है? The number divided by 100. Okay. Now change it into decimal. 0.45. Very simple. 0.45 आ गया आंसर. Okay. Next one. 127%. First, write it in the form of fraction. 127 upon 100. Now 1.27 is the answer. Simple. Okay. Do the third and fourth part. Third part, the answer is 0.036. And fourth part, the answer is 0.0023. 0.0023. Okay. Now question number 6. So now it is given in decimal form and you have to write it in percentage. 0.6 परसेंट में चेंज करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? You multiply the number by 100 and then write percent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When you change in percentage, you multiply the number by 100 and then write percent. That means 60% is the answer. First part. Second part, 0.42 into 100%. That means 42%. Fourth part, 0.005 into 100%. That means 0.5%. 0.5%.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Well done.
Very good. Okay, question 7. Question 7. In this, you have to find 32% of 425. 32% of 425. 32% of 425. So सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? You change this 32% in fraction. 32% को fraction में कैसे change करेंगे? You divide it by 100. देखिए, fraction में change हो गया 32%. 32 upon 100. Off का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiply. पहले तो percentage को fraction में change करा and then off is the meaning of off is multiply. 425. Now you simplify this. 25 से काट लेते हैं, ये हो गया 4 and इधर 25 से काटा you get 17. 4 से काट दिया 32 को you get 8. 8 into 17, 136 is the answer.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
बहुत easy है. Try doing the second part of this question. अच्छा second वाला मैं करा दूंगा, चलिए. I'm doing the second one.
Sir, I done.
Done
Not.
the second one. You can
Sir,
try
I
the.
try.
Very good.
Sir, I tried my best.
Sorry. Yes. बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी. Second part.
Sir, please, I done.
16 whole 2 upon 3%. 16 whole 2 upon 3% of 16. So first of all, this is a mixed fraction. You change it into an improper fraction. 50 upon 3 बन जाएगा. And percent का मतलब क्या होता है? Percent का मतलब है divided by 100. Percent की जगह मैंने क्या लगा दिया? Divided by 100. 50 upon 3 divided by 100. Of का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiplied by 16. Of का meaning क्या हुआ? Multiplied by 16. Okay, now to simplify this, 50 upon 3 into 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100 reciprocal कर लिया into 16. तो 50 से काट देंगे, यहाँ 1 आएगा, यहाँ 50 से काट दिया, यहाँ पे 2 आ गया. इधर 2 से काटा 1, 8. Answer is 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 whole 2 upon 3. So you can also write it as 2 whole 2 upon 3. This is the answer. Check your answer.
Sir, now third part we have to do.
Just telling me.
Sir, he is go in reciprocal 1 upon 100.
What?
Sir, 100 go into reciprocal.
Yes, because it is divided by 100.
It changed into 1 upon.
Percent का meaning क्या होता है? You first of all percentage का meaning
Yes,
होता है
sir.
the number divided by 100. Okay. और divide का मतलब जब आप change करेंगे तो divide को multiply में change करेंगे. You will do the reciprocal of this number. 1 upon 100 हो गया. Got it? Divide की जगह क्या लगा दिया? Multiply.
Okay, sir, thank.
Question number 8 now. Question 8. First part. 25% of rupees 76. 25% of rupees 76 बिल्कुल सेम है जैसे अभी किया था. 25% का मतलब डिवाइडेड बाय 100. ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई rupees 76. So you simplify this. 25 को काट देंगे 25 से, 100 को काट देंगे 25 से, 4 आ गया. 4 into 19 is 76. तो क्या है आंसर? रुपीज 19. 76 divided by 4 is 19. Answer is 19 rupees. क्लियर है? बिल्कुल सेम है, सेम एज क्वेश्चन 7. बस यहाँ पर रुपीज इन्होंने लगा दिया तो हमारा आंसर भी क्या आएगा? रुपीज में आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके.
Rupees 90.
Which second part you are talking about? The second part.
No, sir, first part. Sorry, sir.
First part rupees 19.
Sir, I do second part.
Okay, we are doing the fourth part now.
Sir, I have done second part.
Very good. Fourth part of the question. 3 whole 1 upon 3 percent
Arif?
of
Yeah.
90. Mites of 3 whole 1 upon 3% of 90 kilometers. So first of all, change this in improper fraction. So it becomes 10 upon 3. परसेंट की जगह क्या लगा देंगे? डिवाइडेड बाय 100. परसेंट की जगह क्या लगाएंगे? डिवाइडेड बाय 100. ऑफ की जगह मल्टीप्लाई मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 90 किलोमीटर्स.
Into 90.
So 10 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100 into 90
100.
किलोमीटर्स. तो ये 1 दोनों जगह से हट जाएगा. क्या बचा? 9 upon 3. 9 upon 3 means 3 kilometers.
Sir,
Okay.
3.
Yes. 3 kilometers is your answer.
Sir, I done second. I tell my answer.
Yes.
Sir, my answer is 26.4. Sir, it is correct not.
Beta, second one, the answer is 26.4. It is correct. Very good. Rupees 26.40. Correct answer. Fifth part. Everyone, look at the fifth part.
Sir, now we have to do which question?
2.4. Sir, 2.4. 5 का answer.
Fifth part.
2.4. हाँ sir, 2.4.
8.5% of 5 kg. 8.5% of 5 kg. Now 8.5
Sir,
divided
sorry,
by
it is 6.
8.5 divided by 100 into 5 kg. अब मैं इसको 5 kg अगर लिख दूंगा, I will not be able to solve it. So what I am going to do, 5 kg को मैं 5000 grams लिख दे रहा हूँ. You can do like this also. You can convert kgs into grams. 5000 gram लिख दिए. Now if I convert it in grams, it becomes very easy to simplify. देखिए कितनी easily 100 से cancel out हो गया. Both the zeros cancel. 100 से पूरा पूरा cancel हो गया. क्या बचा? 8.5 multiplied by 50 grams. 8.5 multiplied by 50 grams is equal to 425 grams. Answer is 425 grams. Clear?
Sorry sir, my answer is 6.
No problem, beta. Just try to find out your mistake. See the solution. If there is any problem, you
Right.
can ask.
Sir, I do not 5, I do 6. Sir, I tell my 6th question answer. 6th, 8th. Sir, I tell 6th question.
Sixth question.
Answer, sir.
The answer
Two-
you again convert liters into milliliters. You can convert liters into milliliters and then simplify. Try to do it.
2.5, my answer is 6.
If
In
you're
6.
finding your answer in liters, then your answer will be. Let me solve. If you are finding in liters, your answer will be 2.4 liters. 2.4.
So my answer is also correct. This is the answer.
But if you are finding your answer in milliliters, then your answer will be 2500 milliliters. अगर आप ml में निकाल लो. Okay.
Sir, now which question we have to do?
Question number 9. इसकी बात करेंगे. Question 9. Okay.
Sir, in this question we have to find the x number.
Yes. There is a number which is missing. You have to to find the missing number. So we will assume that the missing number is x. Question 9. You will form an equation first. Find the number whose 13% is 65. Question 9. Find the number whose 13% is 65. So let the number be x. So it is given in the question that 13% of a number, there is a number whose 13% is 65. That means 13% of a number, वो number क्या है? X है. 13% of a number which is x, 13% of x is 65, is equal to 65. So this way you will form an equation first. बहुत easy है. 13% of a number which is x is जहाँ पे आएगा वहाँ आप क्या लगाएंगे? Equal to is 65. Okay. So 13 upon 100.
13 upon 100 into x.
X is equal to 65. X is equal to 65 into 100 upon 13. Cross multiply. 100 ऊपर जाएगा, 13 नीचे जाएगा. Cross multiplication. Okay. Now simplify this. 65 को 13 से काटेंगे, 5 आ जाएगा. 5 into 100.
500.
500 answer. Okay.
It is
500 is
interesting
the
question.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Try question 10 also in the same way.
And okay, sir.
Try doing question 10.